All right, so anyway, this is a hyper tough scraper and it has a blade in here, but this blade is not very sharp. It's like a plastic blade. I want to change it. I'm going to put a real blade in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this to the left. You may need a screwdriver. It might be in there pretty tight. I'm just going to go nice and easy, unhook it. Boom, done. I'm going to set it there so I don't lose it. Then I'm going to pull this top piece off. Notice how it's got these two little nodules, and set it down like that. And then we're just going to get rid of this. Now, if you look at this, we've got to get our razor with the safe part down and these nodules right in those little spots there. Right there and right there. Once you've done that, you're good. Then you're going to set this on top, just like this. All right, and then you've got to find that little hole there. You follow me? And then you got to thread this into there. And this is a little difficult for some reason, but I got it. Then take a look at your blade, make sure you're good. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get it nice and tight. And then what I would recommend is getting a Phillips head on it and giving it a little twist. And now we're ready to go some scraping. And that's how you do it, all right? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.